This is a semi-precious stone, aquamarine.
This is aquamarine, eh?
Aquamarine. But you know what happened? Where you get tantalite, you get aquamarine. But not good quality, because if the tantalite is very strong, it kills the aquamarine.
It kills the aquamarine.
Yeah. And the mica?
Mica is
You can get mica, big pieces also. Huh?
Big pieces, eh?
Like this, yeah.
What is the quantum that we get here in this area?
The quantity
Every week, every month.
monthly approximately 500 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they work